okay.
Hi, folks. Here I am out of camp. I got a special guest. I'm going to show you this special guest. We tried this once before. It didn't work. It's working this time, dang it. I got something to show you. Not just a special guest, but some things he brought me.
Hey,
you won't believe it.
Can't use. I've not signed any release forms. I want my check. I want my appearance fees first.
You heard that. He's still pushing for appearance fees. Yeah. Copyright claim on Sty's next video.
Damn right.
There he is.
Hey, folks.
Sty's got Cheezehead Chris out in camp.
I found the old curmudgeon.
Yeah. I'm not grumpy, I'm happy, damn it. The other dwarf. And look at what he brought me. That's ridiculous. That ain't me.
Will you sign them for me so I can put them on eBay?
Yeah, see, he's trying to get money out of me one way or the other.
That's darn right, man.
Look at what he brought me. A Winslow 1887 cast iron cookware set. We're going to show you that in a moment. But he also brought me this. A double pie iron. Oh my gosh.
Technically, I think it's called a panini press. Or panini.
A panini press, yeah.
But
pie iron for us outdoorsmen.
Well, no, it'll still, yeah, I don't know.
It'll make a double pie. It'll make a bigger pie. Now I can see Chris stuffing that full of something and cheese curds. But this is what else he brought me. This is amazing. Look at that. First of all, look at that box it came in. It's got rope handles on it. Put that in the adventure trailer. Oh, have it for every camp. Look at this.
It needs some TLC.
Yeah. Now, mind you, he got this over 15 years ago. And
don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, don't hurt myself. Now, this little 6-inch pan I had. Okay, look at this deep chicken fryer here. And I forgot to check it. I guarantee you the lid off of the Dutch oven will fit.
I think so.
Okay, we're setting that aside. We're going to check that out. Plus, this puppy. What is that, a 12, I bet you? I bet you that's a 12.
I think so.
It's at least a 12-incher. Sweet, eh? Can't beat that. He threw this in. We're tailgating now. Football bannock.
There you go.
Yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Plus, full cast iron griddle. There's the side I'll be using the most. Breakfast. Can't wait for breakfast. Oh, that's a heavy bugger too. That's sweet, man. I love cooking on flat iron like that. Now here's the Dutch oven. Now,
don't.
These have been seasoning, or haven't been seasoned.
They've been sitting in.
They've been sitting in storage for over 15 years, and but they're not bad. It's all surface.
It needs. They say it needs some TLC.
Yeah, it needs a little loving care. Otherwise,
Does a cover fit?
We're going to try this cover on this frying pan. Oh, Lordy.
Close enough.
Close enough that it's a, yeah. Oh, no, yeah. That's,
I mean, for what you need.
That's absolutely.
The other one doesn't flip over on top of it, does it? I don't think so.
No, that one sits.
Sometimes they make
aside,
it where they got they're the 2-in-1 thing.
Yeah, but
and yes,
yeah, that's great.
And yes, they're made in China. Yes, but he's not going to die off of it.
Yeah, at least I got the right gear if I ever head to China.
Yeah.
If
you can, I want to see you take the Sty Church trailer to China.
Yeah. I don't know what it would cost me to.
Well, you could put some pontoons on there and just float
it over. Make a house.
Make a sail out of your hammock in your tent.
Oh yeah. Could do. Head off to China. But check that out, guys. I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of cast iron in that kit, in its own box designed for it. there's enough space on either side for utensils and other junk. Sty is gonna love that,
No,
and that's gonna
what
get.
you add some add-ons. Since that way you make it, you put it out here and it just flips up. Make it a checkbox.
True. Absolutely. Absolutely.
You steal some of the kids' lumber and make yourself some mad.
Actually, I could double up, put 2 pieces that fold onto the top, that flop down, so I've got 2 counters off the top.
There you go.
And I could set pans all the way across the top.
And you got your little. There you go.
Yeah.
You put your little
Cooker right in the
right
middle.
on top of there. You got your cooking service. You're set up.
Look at this guy that knows it all here. I didn't say he's a know-it-all. I said, look at the guy that knows it all.
Better watch it. I'll take it back.
Yeah,
be nice.
Yeah, he's gonna take.
I'll take my beer and cheese curds too.
Oh man, he brought me a few beers and he brought some cheese curds, and he also gave me this stinking. I mean,
It's not stinking.
I
don't want to hear you complaining
That's
about
not
how
stinking.
deep these are.
It's not stinking. I mean, you can do steaks, chops, chicken, vegetables, fish. Oh,
Bannock.
yeah. If I can catch some big fish to stick in there, I'd be real happy.
Well, that's why I brought you that little one. 'Cause that's the fish you only fit in that one that I brought you.
Oh,
so.
the fish I've been catching will fit right in this one. Yeah, yeah.
And you could probably put 5 in
2
it.
of them. Well, at least 2 of them. You haven't seen my dinner video from last trip yet, but that does have actually 2 good-sized bluegills in it.
Okay.
But boy, I would have loved having that frying pan there for them bluegills.
Well, there you go. Now you're set.
All of that. He brought me all of that.
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas, and happy retirement. There you go.
And that's what Sty's been cooking in, is
Those
that
work,
Ozark Trail little pan.
Those work fine.
And yeah, they work fine, but this is finer. This is finer.
Yeah, well, the rest of you.
Well, once I clean them up and
Oh yeah.
and re-season everything, they'll be awesome.
When you fire that big one up, I'm coming. You gotta break that in. Of course.
That's
a requirement.
That's gonna have to be like a big pot of chili or something like that.
Oh, I think you could. I think you could do some Cornish game hens. Stuffed Cornish game hens.
Oh, okay. All right. Chris just convinced me. The first time I use that Dutch oven, I'm gonna have him there, and
Mashed potatoes.
We're gonna
some
do
stuffing.
Oh, sure. Why not? Why not? We'll have stuffed Cornish game hens with taters and gravy on the side, or taters and.
Who else wants to come on up?
Hey, wait a minute.
He's got room. I got enough gear, and I brought enough gear. I'm planning on staying here for at least a couple nights with him. So.
Yeah, he's gonna end up with a big crowd out here. I know. Holy smokes!
Well, you're gonna get used to.
I'm not gonna be the host.
You're gonna be the hostess with the mostest.
The hostess with the mostest. Yeah, I'm busy picking out my camouflage skirts. If I were to say that I wouldn't welcome a ton of people to come visit the camp, that would be a bald-faced lie, and I will probably be bald within the next week because my boy's going to be buzzing my head for me. Yeah, watch for that. We might do it live.
I took GPS coordinates, so just contact me. I'll give you the coordinates.
Yeah, he would. He would put you right onto the place. Right.
$5. $5 for the coordinates. I'm going to make money off this somehow yet.
Here's a quick glance at camp.
Oh, show my dirty truck.
Show your dirty old truck. Why is it a dirty truck?
Well, because you brought me down these God-forbidden back roads. I didn't know where the heck I was going.
Yeah. Chris had a good time getting here. This campsite is a little off the beaten path.
I've never been in the. I mean, I've lived in Wisconsin my whole life, but I've never been in this particular neck of the woods. So
yeah,
it was fun to.
Yeah,
see.
There's miles and miles of that kind of road you're on.
Oh yeah, you get on these
here.
federal roads and you don't know where the heck you are at any given.
I've had people.
And your GPS don't help because it don't help out here.
No, I've had people say to me, can I go out there in the Barrens, all the Chequamegon up there, and just drive around and check the place out? I said, yeah, you can. Make sure to have a full tank of gas. Because I have found people that have been lost for up to 4 or 5 hours driving in circles on some of these Forest Service roads because there's so many. There's so many. It just goes all over the place.
And they're just marked. There's no direction as to this goes to here or this goes to there. There's just a number on them. And
that's just a number on them.
I've done that in the past.
And the best thing to do is get one of the Bayfield County Forest Service maps that shows all these Forest Service roads. A plot map is the best. Get a plot map from the county office, and that shows all these back roads. But then you got to know your north, south, and east and west, or you're going to really. Oh, look at what.
And for Kelvin and the boys, we made sure the camp was official.
Yep.
The goodness.
Yeah. Chris has drank, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 of them. He only brought me one. You're going to let me say that, huh?
Oh, no, I was going to say wait until you get my bill for that one.
Oh,
I'm going to get money off this deal one way or the other. Right?
It's going to add up to the 2 that I've already had, right? Yeah. I believe it. I believe it. Well, guys.
Like I say, we got the bread. I came prepared.
He did. He even brought me cheese curds, he said, and he threw a bag of cheese curds at me, and I laughed because I had some in the cooler. I had to have some for last night. I had a really excellent dinner last night, but he's got a special dinner going here, and I'm going to do a second video of just the dinner, guys. So we're going to leave it at that for now. Here we are. We're out of here, and we're going to be fixing dinner in a bit, and I'm going to film that. I'll set the camera up and let it run, and I'll edit it as necessary.
Well, that means I get money for 2 videos now.
All right, this is the only video we're doing. No, okay, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subbed, hit my ugly mug, and he's going to say, here, I'll come over there and hit it for you right now.
Come here.
He's going to smack me with that steak cooker.
Where's that pie iron?
Pie iron. And I'll throw a couple videos up, maybe. Maybe I'll throw something up from his channel. Send a few of you over there. Get over and subscribe to this guy. But he only likes the best people. So, like me. He likes people like me. So if you're watching me, I'm sure he'll take you in. So until the next one, you guys all have a nice day. Say bye, Chris.
Bye, Chris.
Yeah. He's buying dinner. Bye, guys.